You guys been asking me for a caddy of the day. We haven't done it in a while, so I got a new caddy today. Her name is Beer, as in the drink. But she don't drink beer though. You drink beer?
ไม่ค่ะไม่ดิ้งค่ะ
And she takes good care of herself, obviously.
ฟัน
Oh, my Did I get that on tape? I think I got that on tape. Are you okay, baby? You okay? You okay? You think, Jay? She might be a little embarrassed. That was a nice move, though. You played it off nice.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. So many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go!
Hello there, and welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Caddy of the Day. Today, we feature yet another fit, feminine, and beautiful caddy that's never been seen before on this channel. Her name is Bia. As you can see, her name has nothing to do with alcohol, and she definitely does not have a beer belly. How these women make green polyester pants look like designer jeans is beyond me. And as a bonus, we're even going to feature the other caddy, who is also fit, feminine, friendly, and adorable. I have a challenge for you Zoomers. If you can guess this caddy's age before the end of the episode and put it in the chat section without cheating, I will buy you a cold one. And don't cheat, you little rascals. Anyway, on with the show.
Guys, I got a new caddy today. Hey. You Thai, you Isan? Isan, we got another Isan in the building. Where Isan?
เลยค่ะ
Lui, really? You from Lui? I want to go to Lui.
Okay.
Lui is known as the city of the sea of mountains because of its stunning landscapes, mountains, and valleys. Lui is also famous for its cool climate, especially during the wintertime. Lui is a hub of traditional Thai festivals and cultural events. It's also home to several ethnic minority groups, including the Thai Dam people. And finally, you have the Chiang Khan Walking Street. This is a popular tourist destination in Lui. This walking street is lined up with traditional wooden houses, local shops, and street food stalls. People can stroll down the street, sample local food, and shop for handmade crafts and souvenirs. Elle wants to go there one day, so don't be surprised if you catch Elle and the Travel OG up in Lui. Now, back to the caddy of the day. All right, you guys. It's my caddy today. Tell me your name.
My name เบียร์ค่ะ
Bia Kai. Her name is Beer. You guys like drink the beer?
No I don't like to drink beer I like to drink
But you like to drink what? Whiskey.
ลิกโน
What?
ยาดอง
Yadong. What's Yadong?
You understand ยาดอง
My dad.
Thai whiskey
That's what I said, Thai whiskey. Nice shot. You guys can guess how old she is. I will play for your round of golf when you come out here. And if you guys can guess, does she have kids? Does she not? Say Leo? All right, here we go. Bye, Leo.
ไปแล้ว
What's the deal? Oh, Pinky! What are you doing here?
If you're a fan of Caddy of the Day, I'm sure you remember Pinky. For those of you who don't know, here's Pinky.
Swaddy Kab.
สวัสดีค่ะ
What's your name?
My name is Picky
Pinky. Pinky?
Yes
Pinky?
Yes
Hey. You Thai, you Isan?
I'm from อีสาน
Isan, hey! Look at Pinky! Hey! My subscribers, they ask, where's Pinky?
I am here today
Yeah.
Pattaya CC
Hey!
Beautiful caddy นะ
Shot.
Notice how respectful she is by complimenting the other caddies. Notice how all caddies are respectful to her. Respect is a common practice here in Thailand. It's a very simple concept. Something that I call brilliant.
Bye, Pinky!
You've got the look, I want to know better. You've got the look that's all together. Working, playing, day or night. Jordash has the fit that's right. Jordash looks.
The key to being civilized is when you go to a golf course, it's very civilized. It's very quiet, very serene. People are respectful. That's what you guys got to do. It shouldn't be this hard to be civilized. Because the crazy part is, now that the uncivilized are starting to make their way to Thailand, for some reason, they're putting that on me. And I'll be the main one saying, hey man, leave all that junk at home. Don't come here with that BS. Don't do this. Don't act irate. Especially don't act uncivilized. And then when they do, guess who gets the blame for it? So, I'm going to say it again. For you uncivilized people, we don't want you here. We don't need you here. So stay your uncivilized butt in the uncivilized habitat that you are supposed to be in. You guys can tell me how old she is. You guys write in and tell me how old she is. I bet nobody's going to know how old she is. We're going to tell them at the end, okay? We're going to tell them how old you are. I still don't believe it. We're going to find out, though.
In the hole, in the hole. He want no power.
How old are you? How old?
29.
29. If I told you guys that this woman had 2 kids, 7 and 8 years old, would you believe it? I want to know the secret. I want to know how Thai ladies can have babies and you look like this. In America, they... How they do that in Thailand, man? I want to know, what is the secret? How you have 2 babies and you have neat no hair, you have food, how?
Exercise.
Exercise, that's the key.
Every week.
Every week? What
One
do you...
time, 2 times. Buy customer, walk.
Oh, you gonna done with me, golf course?
Oh, thank you.
My done? Done means what, you guys? Kiki means lazy. Oh, she even stuck it out for you, Ted. You missed it.
I think one in the hole.
Oh. See, caddy of the day is a niche sport, but you guys like it, man. So I'm gonna keep bringing it to you. I try to do it live, man, but the reception is not good. Ooh. Caddy Lex said, wow, but it's Sai Magma. Caddy Lex, wow, you get birdie, you get boom boom.
Come back home now.
Oh, she said, you get an eagle, you can get it right now. Oh, he like me. He talk Sai? No. Oh, he talk Sai, he cool. He cool. He cool, Lex away. Now, for all you haters out there, this is an ongoing joke we have called Birdie Boom Boom. You get a birdie. See, it's a joke. It's not like a real thing that it really happens. But it's inspirational and it's fun for us to say, if you can get a birdie, you know what I mean? So I just got to make sure I put that disclaimer out there. You know, some of y'all will, oh my God, he's, you know, whatever y'all want to say. But we just out here having fun, man. Caddy of the day. You dig? Well, y'all over there soy 6ing it? I'm over here caddy of the day in it. You dig? And you can't just come on a golf course. They won't let you on here and just faking the funk. They'll get you up out of there. So there's a certain panache playing golf. Got to practice at it. You got to go to the range. You can't just run up here thinking you're going to get a cute caddy and goof up the course. They don't do that. They get you up out of here. See, guys, they got male caddies too, but that's not really what I do.
Night.
Not only is she encouraging, she's also fun to follow around the course. Every once in a while there she goes again.
See, that's how you get in trouble, just like that.
I'm starting to believe she wants to...
Back that thing.
You was good with that.
Back that thing.
She don't know what it means, but she sounds so cute saying it.
Back that thing.
Back that thing up. You got to say up.
Up.
Back that thing up.
Back that thing up.
There's a general rule here in Thailand. The ladies are allowed to flirt with you and sometimes touch you. You can flirt back, but you can't touch them. They even have it on some of the golf carts.
Now that the Pookies is in town, they got to give you special warnings. They should let you know. Please kindly be acknowledged that any side rules sent towards the caddies will be reported to the police. It's a different get down out here, man. Everybody just having fun. What in the Petticoat Junction is going on over here? You gonna hit the ball out of here? Y'all still ain't told me how old she is. Hey. Y'all still ain't told me how old she is. Y'all got to the end of this episode to figure it out. Pretty good look. Oh, it came back. Oh, that was some ping pong carom fish right there, and I got it on camera too. I got it on camera. That's it. Hit the tree, hit the cart, and came back over here. Did y'all see that? All right, for y'all that are still guessing what age the caddy is, you're not gonna believe this, man. That woman is 36 years young. 36, yeah, I said 36 years young. I'm gonna let her tell you too, but can you believe that, man? Thai people like black people, man, you just can't tell. Not in the hole, you heard her. Teddy had every opportunity.
Im Gua. Im Gua in the hole.
She said he's scared. He's scared of this. How can you be scared of two Sawai Thai? Song Sawai Thai.
กลัวไหมไม่กลัว
My God.
ใช่ ลองดูงูด
งูดำกลัว
They
Ngô đầm cua.
they say he scared, not them. You go? You go?
ำไม่กลัว
You
กลั
go?
ว
no ไม่
ไม่
กลัว
กลัวอยู่กลัว
Not of y'all.
อยู่กลัว
Of who are you?
อยู่
My.
อยู่ชัวร์หมอยติดฟัน
They come after us. Look at this. That's beer. Y'all see beer? I want y'all to write beer in the comment section so when she looks, she can see y'all saying beer. Tell them your name.
เบียร์ค่ะ
Hey.
you like to drink beer
She want to know y'all like to drink beer. Y'all know I don't drink, so if you like to drink beer, put a beer in the chat. You understand me. Where I gotta go? Show me. Are you sure? Because last time you told me it was wrong. You sure? You think?
จริง I'm not lying
All right. My goho. Goho means lie. She said she's not lying. All right, that's it right there. That's what I'm going for, right? All right, here we go. Make birdie. You know what happened if I make birdie, huh?
พูดละละ
มอพาวเวอร์แล้วอ๋ออยู่ดอนไลน์เบอร์ดี้พี่อ้วนทำไมอ่ะก็ไอ้กระกิบอยู่แล้วไง you have special today นะ
Special today. Pop boom boom?
โอเค
All right, she said pop boom boom, okay. Side qua.
I don't know my bone broken oh my god you don't like pie you don't like birdie
I don't like boom boom. I'm cool with beer.
เย่อยู่กลัว
You think so?
ใช่อยู่กลัว
You think I'm scared of you?
yes of course
Why you think?
have special for you that you make birdie you make pie you never make me
You go.
อยู่กลัว
She said I'm scared. My cool. She said I'm scared of that. She said I'm scared of that. What y'all think, y'all? Am I scared of this? Y'all know I got obligations at the homestead. Patreon members! Because of your undying loyalty and support, one of you lucky members will have the opportunity for beer to be your own personal caddy when you come to visit the Travel OG in Thailand.
Thank you for your support.
All right, you guys, this is hole number 18. We're about to be done with this. We had so much fun. What I love about this place is the peace. Playing golf all around Thailand. That's what it's all about. All right, so I have to ask you a question for my subscribers, my Zoom tribers, and my Patreon. You like Phalang Man?
I like ฝรั่งมา
You like Phalang Man?
yes it's very nice nice happy everything every time แบบ enjoy relax
I see. So you dated a few Phalang. You dated Phalang before, huh?
no I'm scared huh?
Yeah, right. You ain't scared. What you working with, you ain't scared of nothing. All right, y'all, this is my last chance at Birdie Boom Boom. Can I get a Birdie Boom Boom?
yes yes why
That's my last chance at a Birdie Boom Boom, man. Hole 18. Let's see what happens. Birdie Boom Boom, baby. Ding, ding. All right, here we go. How old are you?
29 ค่ะ
29, 2 kids, and look like she's straight. 21 years old with no kids. Pretty skin. Show them that pretty face. Pretty skin, nice lips. Got her little fresh braces on. Warm smile. What more could you ask for besides a Birdie Boom Boom? So can I get a Birdie Boom Boom on this? You gonna help me out or you gonna give me the wrong read? Where am I going? Walk it out. That walk is cold. Boy. All right, you sure? You got a mean walk, let me tell you that. Go home.
ไม่โกหก พี่อ้วน no power ค่ะ
Oh, when you say no power? There she go with that mean walk again. I'll be getting none of that. This is for par. Hole 18. Can we finish this off the right way? That's the question. Telling you guys, man, I used to play basketball at the Y, arguing this shit all the time. This is so much better. Even though, in fairness, you guys at home, they don't got female caddies, especially like this. So let's finish this off right, baby.
nice part nice part
You gotta tell them how old you are, okay? And be honest, how old? How old are you? You better tell them. They need to know. They've been waiting all episodes. Tell them. How old are you?
Why?
Tell them.
Why tell?
Because they want to know.
No, him กลัว
Not him. My people, my subscribers. They want to know how old you are. Tell them.
ไปใครไปซ้อม
They got, now you got to tell them in English. How old?
36
You hear that? Say that one more time.
36
She says she's 36.
yes
I don't know if we believe that, though. That might be cap. You sure? You think you 36?
จริงๆ 36
She said 24. Nah, you don't look 28. You don't even look 28. You don't look 36. You damn near. Y'all believe that, man? This is real talk. She worked the golf course. She say she's 36. She don't look nothing like that now. This one's a little bit different. Oh, she just gave me the COVID. Y'all see that? I just got the COVID, just like that. It's over.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ain't so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys, and make sure to hit the notifications to all. You dig? And support me by supporting my Patreon channel. We can show you the things over there that we can't show you on YouTube, you dig? And if you need to get in contact with the Travel LG, hit me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Y'all, here it come, y'all. This is my favorite part. Nung, some. Now you gotta do it together, same.
okay
One, nung, some.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Hey, now it's tip time. It's time for do to time. Time my time got chanda. One more time. How old are you? Now you gotta tell them. How old are you?
36
You go.
Why?
You might go. You 30. Ding. You 36.
Yeah,
All right.
36
Nobody's gonna believe it. They're gonna call me a go-ho, but y'all heard her say it. And how old are you, mama? How old are you? Yeah. Now see that? You see what she just do that again? Yeah, same. See, in Thailand, that's how they say come here. In America, we do it like this, and that's offensive to them. So they do it the other way, like this. Just so you guys know. Give me a little education. And they pick up the clubs and put them in the car for you. Buddy cop. Hey. Oh, that's your sister? Sister! Buddy cop, sister. Okay, I'm our sister. Sister! No, Talai, how old your sister? She don't know?
Yeah, you say my tummy.
How old? You didn't tell me. How old your sister? You go. I'ma find out. You really 36?
36
Is that your older sister or younger sister?
มีซิสเตอร์
ไม่คนนั้นเขาเป็นพี่หรือคนนั้นเป็นน้อง
เป็นน้อง
ยังสิบ
Oh, that's her young sister. Are you the old?
35
Psalms?
35
You only 1 year older than her?
yes
You believe her? She go home.
ไม่โกหก
Might go home. All right, Bill said might go home. All right, y'all. So this about does it for Caddy of the day, you guys, man. Hope you guys had as much fun as we did. I'm gonna hit y'all with another episode soon. Make sure you guys write in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. Do you like Caddy of the day? You want to see more of it? You want to see less of it? You want to see less of this and more of that? What you want? Holla at me. Y'all know what to do. And you know what I'm about to say, right?